Welcome everyone, let's take a look at the iOS 16 always on display. So first of all, the only supported models are the iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. If you have the regular iPhone 14, which is the device I'm using to record this video, the always on display feature is not available, and on iPhone 13 Pro, 12 Pro, etc. not supported either. So how it works is if you don't use your phone for a while, you're going to see the wallpaper is going to grey out, the time will dim, and the display will dim. I will admit though, the display is at the current brightness I already use it on, so it's quite bright if I'm being honest. If you tap on the screen, the always on display will turn off. If you press the lock button, what I found weird too is this will also turn on the always on display. It would be cool if I click the lock button, it will turn off the iPhone entirely to save the battery, and then if I just rest it, it would use the always on display. So now let's go to the home screen here, and if I open up the settings app and find where it says display and brightness, you're going to notice this option here, always on. So when this is turned off, now when I lock the iPhone, it's going to do a proper lock. What you may have noticed as well is, hear this? So when I have the always on display off, you'll get lock sounds. When always on display is on, okay, huh? Okay, that's weird. Before, when I was locking the device and the always on display showed up, there was no lock sound, but that just showed up. So ignore that one. Let's take a look at that animation. So we're on the home screen here and I lock. That animation is really cool. I personally like this. Let's say it's a dynamic wallpaper. So I'm going to go and I'm going to select a one which moves here. So I'm going to go to color and let's find it here. Boom. So this is one moving, okay, moving wallpaper. I'm going to select this. Let's take a look now. So the wallpaper's moving. I lock. Is it moving still? It is moving. Do you see that? It actually moved there. And it stopped moving. Okay, I don't know if that was intentional or not. You saw the bubbles move like a couple of seconds after. It was like a really laggy move. And now we're back on. Bubbles moving. Lock the screen. Let's take a look. Are they going to move? Tilting the phone. Is it? I don't know if that's a bug or not. It moves slightly, like a couple of seconds after a small amount. I think that is a bug with the always on display. That really does not look like an Apple design. So let's lock it again. Let's see. And there you go. It moves down slightly. I do think that's a bug. That definitely is not normal. It would have been quite cool if the bubbles move like every second it ticks, not just 1 second. But yeah. So that is the always on display, hands on. Let me know the quality of this iPhone 14. I think I called this a 13 earlier. Oh, it looks like a 13. That's why I'm calling it a 13. 14 Pro though looks really unique, really cool. 14 on the other hand, I mean, it's a cool device, don't get me wrong. But yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.